Good morning, dear students. Let's start integration. Students, here we have the definition of integration. Integration in mathematics is a technique of finding a function gx, the derivative of which is equal to a given function fx. Students, integration is the reverse of derivative. We can also say that collection of all the primitives is called the indefinite integral. Students, integration is also called primitive. All are the synonyms. And here, what is integration? This is a technique of finding a function. And here, derivative of this function is equals to the f of x. And we can also say that derivative and integration both are the reverse function of each other. If we take d from this left side to the right hand side, if we move this, then it turns into integral sign. Gx is equals to integral of f of x with respect to x. So students, in this way we can say that gx is a function whose derivative is equals to the f of x, and usually it is denoted by this integral sign, and this is the indefinite integral of the function. Students, what is the difference between indefinite and definite? Indefinite means that is not definite. So students, in the integral sign, if there is not mentioned the limits a to b, here a is the lower limit and b is called the upper limit. So students, if these limits are not mentioned, then the given integral is the indefinite. Okay, and if limits are given, then that is fixed. Thus we have to find the integral from a to b. So that's why it is called the definite integral. Now students, here you can see the relation between integrals and derivatives. Suppose students, we have a function x cube. And what is the derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube is 3x squared. And so suppose students, if you have x cube plus 2, then its derivative is again 3x squared and derivative of 2 is 0. So in both the cases we get the same result. Similarly students, if we have x cube plus 3, x cube minus 3, x cube plus 1, all derivatives are 3x squared. So students, what is the difference between these four, or what is the role of this constant if this gets 0? So students, in this way you can see that if we are doing derivative of these functions and we get the same result 3x squared, but if we do the integration of this result, then we can't reach to the exact value that we have already make that 0. So students, in this way, while doing the integral, we use plus c sign, and here plus c sign stand for the constant of integration, and this is that c which we have vanished at the time of doing derivative. आप देख सकते हैं students, 2 3 minus 3, derivative of all these constants are 0. But if we do its integration is what? X squared integration is x cube over 3. In this way we get result x cube. But what about these constants 2 3 minus 3? So for this we put a plus c sign, and here plus c sign covers all the constant values. This is the c value. C is the constant of integration. Now students, here we have the similar result again. You can see that if we do derivative of x squared, then we get the same result 2x, and x squared plus 4, x squared plus 3, x squared minus x all have derivative 2x. But students, here 4 3 minus x, all the constants are different but gives the same result. So students, in this way we can say that if we do the integration of 2x, then integral of 2x with respect to x is 2x squared over 2, and we use plus c sign for to balance the equation. In this way we get the same x squared plus c, and here c can be 4 3 minus 6. Okay students, so in this way plus c is the constant of integration. Now students, I am sharing you the formulas of integration. You can see here common integrals. First is the common integral. Indefinite integrals, method of substitution. In the first exercise students, we will discuss about the method of substitution, and then I will explain to you. Now students, here is the formula. First formula is x raised to power n. Formula is xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Second is the 1 over x. 1 over x formula is log x plus c, and here constant, integration of constant function is cx plus c. Okay, and integration of x is x square over 2. Students, we are using here the similar formula, first one. If we do the integration of variable, then only adding 1 in the power and write down power in the denominator, and don't forget to write down the c. Similarly, derivative of x square is x cube over 3 plus c, and integration of 1 over x square is integration of 1 over x square. We put here x raised to the minus 2 in the numerator, and now adding 1 in the numerator and write down the power in the denominator, and this way we reach the result minus 1 over x plus c. Now students, here you can see all the formulas. All of you have to commit all the results, and by noticing these results you can see that all the formulas are reverse of the derivatives. So students, write down this in your fair notebook and learn all the formulas. Students, you can see here the hyperbolic formulas. There is no need to use these one. You have only learned the above all the formulas, rest of the hyperbolic. And here is the basic formulas that we use. First is the x raised to power n is xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Integration of constant is only x plus c. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Similarly, integration of secant square x is tan x plus c, and integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus c. Integration of secant x into tan x is secant x plus c. Similarly, integration of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. And students, integration of 1 over under root 1 minus x square is sin inverse x plus c. And here is the next one. There is only difference of negative sign minus cos inverse x. So students, all of you have to learn these formulas. This is your homework today. So thank you for watching the complete video.